Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C71 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Reset Phone, and here we've got the option Reset Up Preferences, so let's tap on it. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.